Alright guys, so we bought this from a buddy. We just got it. And it is supposed to be a Michael Vick helmet, and we are going to check it out. Michael Vick Falcons helmet. The JSA certificate. Oh, that's cool. So you got the Falcons right here, and you can always buy like a 3D bumper right here to just add a little bit of value. You can put a visor on here as well. It's a Michael Vick, so we probably will get a visor. You can change the chin strap. And that looks nice. Let me put it over here. That is a nice looking helmet. This is supposed to be a speed rep. Falcons, the same thing. You can put a 3D bumper down here. The regular replica helmets don't have the little holes up here. And some of them don't have these nicer face masks, which is cool. You can get these changed out as well. Some that actually have like the Falcons logo. There's a lot you can do to these helmets. Like I said, this is a Michael Vick, so you probably want to get a visor. But a speed rep helmet is one that has some padding in here, but I mean it's just, you know, it's not really padding. It's not going to help you. It's got this in here. So, I mean, it will fit on my head, but I mean, it's not going to go all the way on my head. But it's more for a display. You're not going to wear this stuff anyways. The Authentic is just a tiny bit bigger, and, you know, it has padding all the way around. And they cost a little bit more. I'd say like $150 more. But overall, man, you put this in a display case, and this is going to look really nice. I like it right now. If any of you guys got any Dallas Cowboy helmets you'd like to trade for this, let me know. We love Cowboys. But as of right now, if I wanted to get a Falcons, I would like to get Michael Vick. So this is staying here for now, but just an idea if you're kind of interested in what a speed rep helmet is. This is exactly what it is. It's basically a full-size helmet. It's just got your kind of your generic padding, and it's got this in the top of it, so you can't really put it on. It's more of a display helmet, which they all are. But overall, super cool. Like I said, if you got any comments or questions, or if you want to trade something, let me know.